You're trying to find the best cordless drill under $100. But there are so many options. How do you know which one is actually worth your money? Today on Tools Query, we're breaking down the top 10 cordless drills under $100 so you don't waste a single dollar. We'll cover power, battery life, weight, and what each drill is really best for. Stick around. Our top pick might surprise you. Kicking off our list at number 1 is the DEWALT DCD771C2, and this one is a proven crowd pleaser. It runs on a 20-volt max brushed motor, delivering 300 UWO of power with 2 speeds, 0 to 450 and 0 to 1,500 RPM, and 16 clutch settings for precision control. The big win here is the kit. You get 2 1.3 ampere-hour batteries and a contractor bag, so you're always ready to keep working. At 3.6 pounds and backed by a 3-year limited warranty, this is one of the most trusted tools in its price class. Next up at number 2 is the DEKOPRO 20-volt drill, and for the price, the accessory pack alone makes this worth a look. It delivers 354 in-pounds of torque, actually higher than the DEWALT, with 2 speeds up to 1,350 revolutions per minute and an 18+1 clutch system for a wide range of tasks. At just 2.5 pounds, it's one of the lighter options on our list and easy to handle for long periods. The battery has a built-in level indicator so you're never caught off guard mid-job. The kit includes 30+ pieces right out of the box: drill bits, screwdriver bits, nut drivers, and a magnetic holder, making it a fantastic starter set. Coming in at number 3 is the PULITUO 20-volt cordless drill, which quietly earns its spot by shipping with 2 batteries and a flexible extension shaft, a combination rarely seen at this price range. It puts out 30 Newton-meter of torque with 21+1 clutch settings and 2 variable speed modes for clean control on wood, plastic, and metal. That flexible extension shaft is a genuine game changer for working inside cabinets or in tight corners where a straight drill just won't reach. PULITUO has built a following of over 10 million users across 20 countries, so this isn't a fly-by-night brand. At number 4, the BLACK+DECKER wins on one thing most drills can't touch: the 100-piece accessory kit bundled right in the box. You get brad point bits, masonry bits, HSS drill bits, nut drivers, a ratcheting screwdriver, sockets, and a storage case. Everything a homeowner could need for years of projects. The drill itself runs at up to 1,700 revolutions per minute, with a 24-position clutch to keep you from stripping screws. The 20-volt Max Power Connect battery system means your battery works across other BLACK+DECKER 20-volt tools, a real plus if you plan to grow your tool collection. Halfway through our list at number 5 is the CRAFTSMAN V20, and honestly, for budget buyers, this might be the smartest buy on the list. It delivers 330 in-pounds of torque and 280 UWO through a 2-speed gearbox, nearly matching the DEWALT. But it comes with a half-inch chuck, which is larger than many drills at this price point and gives you more bit compatibility. The 3-year limited warranty is the same as DEWALT, and the price is noticeably lower, making this an incredible value for homeowners and beginners who want a reliable name brand without paying premium prices. At number 6, we have the BLACK+DECKER, a clean, simple 20-volt drill designed for everyday household tasks. It features an 11-position clutch to help prevent stripping screws, an LED work light for dark spaces, and a handy built-in bit storage compartment right on the body of the drill so your bits are always within reach. It runs on the 20-volt Max Power Connect battery system and weighs about 3.3 pounds. It tops out at around 650 revolutions per minute, so this isn't a drill for heavy or demanding work. It's made for hanging shelves, assembling furniture, and quick weekend fixes. Think of it as the dedicated household helper drill. At number 7, and this one genuinely surprised us, is the Cheng 20-volt brushless hammer drill. While every other drill on this list uses a brushed motor, this one packs a brushless motor for longer life, better efficiency, and less heat. It delivers a whopping 443 inch-pounds of torque, runs at up to 1,800 revolutions per minute, and includes a hammer mode at 27,000 beats per minute, meaning it can drill into brick, concrete, and masonry that regular drills simply can't touch. It comes with two 2-ampere-hour batteries, weighs just 2 pounds, and is part of Cheng's growing 20-volt max cordless tool ecosystem. Coming in at number 8 is the AVID Power MW316, and it brings one clever feature to the table: a real-time battery-level display built right into the battery pack. You always know exactly how much juice you have left, no surprises mid-project. The drill delivers up to 280 inch-pounds of torque, with 2 speeds up to 1,400 revolutions per minute, an 18-position clutch, and a 3/8-inch keyless chuck. It weighs about 2.5 pounds, a thoughtfully designed beginner drill with that battery indicator being a genuinely useful daily advantage. At number 9, the Rivlox 20-volt cordless drill is the wild card of this list. It comes in at an almost unbelievably low price and ships with two 2-ampere-hour batteries. That's a larger battery capacity than many drills that cost twice as much, plus 34 accessories and a storage case. It uses a pure copper brushed motor with large ventilation ports to help manage heat, puts out 30 Newton-meter of torque, and includes 21+1 clutch settings with 2 speed modes. Just keep expectations realistic. At this price, it's ideal for light tasks like assembling furniture, hanging items, and small DIY repairs, not heavy-duty construction. If budget is your #1 priority, Rivlox delivers hard-to-beat quantity. Closing out our list at number 10 is the BLACK+DECKER, and while it's the lowest powered drill here, it earns its place for a very specific reason. At just 2.18 pounds, it is the lightest drill on this entire list. It runs on a 12-volt max battery with 550 revolutions per minute and an 11-position clutch. It has a trigger-activated LED light, a soft grip handle, and a 3/8-inch keyless chuck. The battery holds a charge for up to 18 months. If you value ease of handling above all else, and your projects are light, the BLACK+DECKER is the most comfortable drill on this list. So there you have it, the 10 best cordless drills under $100, ranked and reviewed. If I had to crown 2 standouts, the Cheng brushless hammer drill wins on raw performance value, and the CRAFTSMAN 520 is the best all-around buy for everyday homeowners. Links to every drill are in the description below. Check them out and grab the one that fits your needs. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe to Tools Query, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next video.